Our vision of our university states that it is an inclusive and sustainable university recognized for its global and academic excellence by 2030. So, how does the university be an inclusive education? But first, what is an inclusive education? Inclusive education means integrating all students, regardless of their abilities or disabilities, into mainstream classroom. It involves adapting teaching method, creating accessible environments, and fostering a supportive atmosphere to ensure that every student has equal access to learning opportunities.
I'm Nicole Angela from BSEd Science 2B.
Ang tanong ko, how can you say that the Dinalupian campus is inclusive when it comes to education?
Siguro yung pagiging inclusive ng school natin is na-express ng bawat estudyante kung ano talaga yung gender nila. Pwede nilang suotin yung damit na gusto nilang suotin. When it comes to education naman, lahat naman bibigyan ng tamang edukasyon sa campus na to.
Thank you. Your name?
Ruben Dexter Giles.
So ito yung tanong ko. Do you think that Dinalupian campus is inclusive when it comes to education? Why?
Yes naman, kasi nga, kung makikita nyo naman dito sa Dinalupian campus, kung ma-observe nyo yung mga nag-aaral dito, may mga estudyante rito na kahit gaano pa sila katanda or above talaga sa college life natin is nag-aaral pa rin sila. And yung when it comes naman sa LGBT, nakikita naman din natin na inclusive tong school natin kasi nga yung mga ibang part ng LGBT like trans, gay, pag talagang appropriate yung gusto nilang suotin sa kanila, ina-allow naman sila ng ng campus natin.
Thank you, Dexter.
Ganun po. Magtatanong din po sana kami. As a staff po at saka po nag-aral dito, ano po yung naobserbahan nyo sa inclusive education dito sa Dinalupihan campus po?
Sa ilang taong pagtatrabaho ko dito, yung naobserbahan ko, pantay sa yung pamantasan na to ay pantay sa bawat isa. Walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Lalo na sa relihiyon. Diyan tayo magkakatalo-talo eh. Pero merong gawang batas na para igalang ang bawat relihiyon ng bawat isa. At ang pantay-pantay na kasarian na hindi mo pwedeng kitahin, hindi mo pwedeng bawalan. Binigyan sila ng pagkakataon na ang kanilang sarili para hindi sila alangan na mag-aaral o pakita man ng kung gusto nila sa sarili nila. At sa kausuotan naman, lahat naman pwedeng bigyan ng pagkakataon. Kaya lang nararapat sa bawat pagkakataon ng kunwari may event tayo, kaya pag may event tayo pwede, kunyari intram short, pwede. Pero pagka academic school na, pinapatupad namin lahat ng dapat, hindi masasaktan yung kanilang damdamin, yung maaayon sa kanila saka sa kanilang mga magulang. Kaya yung BPSU, masarap maging isang miyembro ng BPSU, maging empleyado ka man o estudyante. Kapag ka sinabing BPSU, lahat proud ang bawat isa na tagalabas para sa atin. Kaya kayo, tapusin nyo lahat kung ano yung meron kayong gustong marating para being graduate ng BPSU o nagtatrabaho dito. Lahat tayo maging proud. Hindi tayo nahihiya. Tayo ay ikinararangal ng bawat isa. God bless.
Thank you po.
So, as we can see, the interview highlights that inclusive education is vital for fostering diverse and supportive learning environment. By integrating students of all abilities into mainstream classrooms, inclusive education benefits everyone through enhanced empathy, understanding, and mutual respect. Challenges such as resource limitations and resistance to change need to be addressed, but students play a crucial role in promoting inclusivity through support, advocacy, and open dialogue. Ultimately, inclusive education prepares students for a diverse world and ensures that every individual has the opportunity to thrive.
Inclusive education is not just about bringing everyone into the classroom. It's about creating a space where every student, regardless of ability, background, or needs, has an equal chance to thrive. When schools embrace diversity, they open the doors to new ideas, new perspectives, and new possibilities for every student.
Inclusive education encourages collaboration, foster empathy, and build stronger communities. It's about teaching students that everyone has value, no one should feel left out. Inclusive education makes sure everyone's voice is heard. Together, we create a future where every child can succeed because inclusive education is for everyone. Let's make it possible.
We, students from BPSU Dinalupian Campus, promoting an inclusive education.